Hey there guys, this is Kushal and in this video we are going to talk about generative adversarial networks. So what is a generative adversarial network? Let's break down the term. The term adversarial has came from the word adversary, which means when two people oppose each other. So taking into account this idea, the generative adversarial networks were created by Ian Goodfellow in 2014 with his colleagues. So in this type of algorithm, two neural network compete with each other in a game and which leads to generate new data with the same characteristics as the provided training data. Now let's talk about the game that they play in this network. This game is called zero-sum game, which is derived from game theory. Now to understand zero-sum game, we need to talk about the system of generative adversarial networks. Generative adversarial networks consists of two neural network. Very first is the generative network, second is the discriminative network. The generative network is a type of a neural network which takes random noise or a random number vector as input and converts it to images, which is initially a random matrix. On the other hand, the discriminator networks takes real images from the training data and random images from the generative network. Wait, I will repeat. The discriminator network takes real images from the training data and random images from the generative network, and it predicts whether a given image looks like a real image from the dataset or like an artificially created image, which is basically a function of a normal convolutional neural network. So let me tell you, discriminator model is a convolutional neural network and generative model is a deconvolutional neural network. Now, the task is to train them simultaneously. Over the period of training iterations, the weights and bias in both the networks are trained through the optimization algorithms and obviously backpropagation. The discriminator becomes better at identifying real and fake images, and simultaneously with the feedback received from the discriminator network, the generator learns to generate images that the discriminator can't distinguish from the real images. It's like a policeman getting better at catching the liars and the robbers are becoming good at saying good lies. Cool, right? Guys, you can easily learn to implement GAN using Core, TensorFlow, Keras or PyTorch like this video, so that we can create one more video so that you can learn how to code. Tell us in comments on which algorithm or topic you would want our next video and we will definitely create it. Till then, good luck, goodbye, and I'll see you in the next one. And yes, do subscribe.